In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Google Calendar. If you've ever found yourself needing to coordinate events, meetings, or personal plans with others, sharing your Google Calendar is a handy way to keep everyone on the same page. So, without further ado, let's dive into the steps and make sure you're all set up. First, go ahead and open your web browser and log into your Google account. This is essential because you need to access your personal calendar. Once you're logged in, head over to the Google Calendar website. If you're using a desktop, you can simply type in Google Calendar in the search bar and find the official link in the results. Click on it to open your calendar interface. Now that you're on your Google Calendar page, take a moment to look at your calendars list on the left side of the screen. You'll see a section titled My Calendars. Here, find the specific calendar you want to share. Hover over that calendar, and you'll notice 3 dots appearing next to its name. Click on those dots to reveal a drop-down menu. In this menu, select Settings and Sharing. This action opens up a new page with various options for your calendar settings. On this settings page, scroll down until you see the Share with Specific People section. This is where you can enter the email addresses of the people you wish to share your calendar with. Click on Add People and a small window will pop up. Here, type in the email addresses of your recipients. You can add multiple addresses if you're sharing your calendar with more than one person. Now comes an important part. Setting permissions. Decide what level of access you want to give each person. You can choose from several options, such as allowing others to see only if you're free or busy, or granting them permission to make changes to events. Carefully consider the level of sharing that fits best with your needs. Once you've set the permissions for each recipient, go ahead and click on Send. An invitation will be sent to their email, notifying them that your calendar has been shared with them. They can then accept it and view your calendar alongside theirs. Remember, sharing your calendar is a powerful tool, especially in maintaining clear communication and avoiding scheduling conflicts. It helps streamline the planning process and keeps everyone in the loop without a hassle. And there you have it. With these steps, you now know how to share a Google Calendar. It's a simple yet effective way to improve your organizational skills and ensure that everyone involved is on the same page. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that it makes your scheduling much easier. Thanks for watching and have a productive day.